Hello, my friend. In this video, I will share how to change the Google background image and theme, and it's very easy. Let's get started. So open Google Chrome. Clicking at the bottom right corner, customize this page, and we will click on that. And then we need to click on Customize Chrome. Click on Change Theme, and then here we have an option, Upload an image. And then you can select any of the image from here. And I'll select Open. And we have successfully changed the Google Chrome background and theme. So this is how you can change the Google background image and Google Chrome theme. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.